Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, ta-da! I'm sharing some Happy Mail with you guys. Oh my god, do you guys see all this yumminess? I took it out the box and I spread it all out so that I can see what I have, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is from my friend Shara and it's so springy. Like, if this does not make your day, I don't know what will, because this is amazing. So pretty. I am so excited to show you guys every little thing. I have taken my pictures, so let's dig in, because I wanted to take my pictures because I don't want to rip through things. I know she sews through stuff, so I wanted to make sure I had my pictures, and then I'll take pictures of whatever else is wrapped up afterwards. But yeah, you guys, she gave me this cute little card, which of course I'll open after. I'm gonna bring my focus up because I'm gonna start showing you guys everything up close. How cute is this card? Isn't that pretty? And you guys, she had the box wrapped up so pretty with little die cuts and stuff, but of course I tore through that. But yeah, she sent me these cute little peeps. I love this. These are so yummy. I'm totally gonna eat this tonight for sure. And then she sent me also Tootsie Rolls, you guys, and Hubba Bubba gums. So we have this package right here. Look how cute she decorated it. It says Seek Beauty. She put these cute little flowers, the little die cuts in the back, and there's some yellow tags. I love the way she like repackaged it. Looks so cute. And I will be saying cute a lot. Just deal with it, you guys. Oh, look, I saw her do a video on these and she sent me one. I love it. This one has like little wooden rabbits, and this one has like this cute little sequence mix. I love how all the colors go together with her mail. Look at this, these little flowers. I'm gonna have to try this idea. This is so fun. These are all these little confettis that she put in the package. Can you guys see that clearly? I hope so. Oh, I'm excited about that. So cute. I definitely need to try that. And there's this little bag. It says spring is in the air. You guys, I think that spring is like my official favorite like Happy Mail to do. I thought it was Valentine's Day, but I'm really enjoying making spring mail. I'm gonna actually do this. Give it more of a clean cut. Ooh, what do we got here? Ooh, some stamps. Just for you. And then this is like a little block. Look at that. Can you guys see that? So I can use that for that. I like this. That's so cute. Ooh, I see some rosettes she made me. Look how pretty. And she used the what's this paper collection? The Delightful by Pink. It's not Pink. Is it Pink? Oh, Pebbles by Pebbles. Oh, look at this little mini clip, you guys. How tiny. I feel like it's not focused. Let me see. There you go. Look at how tiny this is, you guys. Oh my god. How do you sew on this? This looks like it's hard to sew on. But she's a pro. Definitely a pro if you can sew on something that small. Look at that. Why am I losing my focus, you guys? There you go. Can you see? Look how beautiful they are. Oh, this is so cute. I love the way you packaged everything, girl. So cute. Oh, and I saw her video also on making these little cute sticker embellishments. These are fun. Look at that. I like that. Look how cute. I love the way Shara crafts. Her crafting style is beautiful. She sent me some washi. Oh, and I don't have this one. It's like a metallic pink. You see that? Thank you for that. Let me put that over here on this side. Ooh, and look, you guys. Look at this. Doily Heaven up in here. She sent me a bunch of doilies and pink clip. Fun fact, my wife can't stand this pink. She hates it so much. She says it's obnoxious. It's like an obnoxious pink. I bought a bed set one time, and I think that's what did it for her. Because she had to stare at it for such a long time. She's just like, she sees this color and she's like, ugh, don't they have it in any other kind of pink? Because she doesn't like that pink. Look at all these doilies she sent me. These little mini ones are so cute. And they're like felt. Look how cute. Some mint green, some gold, some silver, all types. White, pink, peach, dark purple. She hooked it up with the doilies. Oh yeah, I love me a good doily. Any doily actually. This feels like a paper pad. I don't want to ruin the little side cuts. Ooh, which one is this? Welcome Spring? I don't have this. You guys, isn't it exciting when you get like a paper pad that you don't, or like an item in general that you don't have? It's like, oh my god, we're gonna look at this. We are going to see the paper. Oh my god, look at that yellow. This is so cute. I'm definitely gonna have to create something with this. Look at that page, you guys. How cute are those bunnies? Oh my god, thank you so much, girl. I love it. And I will definitely be playing with it. It's called Welcome Spring by American Crafts. Oh yeah, and it goes with like all the mail and stuff. Then there's this one, you guys. Look at this. Look at the little flowers that she did. Ooh, and she sewed on it. So we're gonna open it this way, just because I don't want to open the. We have some goodies in here. Put that over here. Ooh, some wood veneers. These are like the Project Life wood veneers. This cute little arrow. Does that go inside there? It looks like it goes in there. A little arrow, and then there's this one that says "Love You More." Oh, I love these. You can paint them and add them to your projects. Ooh, she sent me the, what is it, the American Crafts little bits. It's the ice cream collection. And those are the ones that you get. I actually own just the glasses. Someone sent that to me on Happy Mail. Ooh, this is fun. For the summer projects. That's perfect. Thank you for that. And look, you guys, how she decorated this one. She put this big Friends sticker on it. She sent me some trim. And then there's like this little, like a little charm on the clip that she put. Do you see it? How cute is that? So cute. Put a little doily on the bag. Oh, how pretty. She sent some Prima flowers. I don't own any Prima flowers. These are so pretty. And then we have some stamps. Not stamps. It's like a stained tag. Oh, these are cute. Are these from Michaels? Yep, the regular. Oh, it's mixed media. That's why they are like that. Oh, those are cute. I love this. It's so pretty. Very cute. And then these are right here. So I'm going to show you guys these. We have some Easter Crafts little butterfly stickers that you can color in. Like the adult coloring books. These are fun. Never seen these either. Oh, look at that bicycle. Why do I keep losing my focus? Do you guys see the bike? Hello Spring. Oh, this is so cute. I love these. Also never seen these and don't have them. And then our last little baggie, because I'm thinking one of these is my little project that she made me. Oh, and you guys, hold on. I'm like all excited. I don't know where to go. There's this little bag right here, and we're gonna open it from the bottom as well. I just try to push everything down, make sure I don't cut anything. Oh, I didn't show you how she decorated this one. Look at this one, how she did it. It says live life in full bloom, bloom and grow, enjoy, and one of those little wooden buttons. Super cute. Oh, she sent me some tags that say hello spring, some little rub-ons. Look how cute these are. These are the ones from Target. These are so cute. I'm telling you guys, I love spring colors. I'm like obsessed. I've been looking at all the mail and stuff, and I'm just like, I'm thinking spring is my favorite Happy Mail. Look, you guys, she tied these cute little packages together. I've never seen these. And they're little Jolies by You. There's some little flowers. These cute little picks. Look at these little mini flowers. Oh my God, I don't have anything like this. Look at this, you guys. So many of them. And more pigs. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much for these, girl. I love these. I don't own anything like this. Thank you. Ooh, okay, I'm trying to think which one I should do. Should I do this one? Look at this, you guys. Look at this packaging. Isn't this beautiful? Look at these flowers. The little Easter egg. Oh my God, you don't even want to like ruin it. Maybe I can take this off like this without ruining the... Oh, I could have just untied the bell. Smart, Lily. Smart. Alright, let's just take the little decoration off. Because you know I'm keeping that. You can use that on different mail. What is this? You guys, look at this Happy Mail. Oh, I have to make sure my focus is good for this because you guys need to see this in full bloom. Look, it says create, and she used some of the Maggie Holmes flowers. There's doilies. It's all stitched. I die. I die. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. You guys, do you see what she did here? It's like an embellishment, like little package. There's some enamel dots right here. She put some of those little flowers in here. This cute little Maggie Holmes butterfly. Look at the little houses. Oh my gosh, she made me some of the labels. I've seen her give these to some of her pen pals, and now I have my own. Made with Love by Crafting with Liller. How cute. Oh my God, do you guys see that? Look at the little labels, you guys. And then there's like more flowers in the bag. It's like a little packaging of like a bunch of little doodads. Look at this. This is so creative. Oh, this is cute. I love the packaging of this. Look at that. She stitched all around it. How fun is this? I'm telling you, you guys, she's an amazing crafter. She really is. And then this is my last package. Not quite sure what this is, but let's see. My focus is acting all crazy, and I think it's because I have my phone so close. There's some cute little die cuts that she put together right here. You guys see that? Definitely saving that. I love this ribbon with the little gold bunnies. I don't have that ribbon. Well, now I do, because she sent me like 2 pieces. And let's see what we have here. Oh my God, look, you guys. Is this a banner? I think it's a banner. It's like a bunting banner. Look at this. Imagine, inspire, and dream. Oh my God. I think, wait. Okay, hold on. I don't want to mess this up. I really think it's like a bunting banner. What does that say? Hold on. It is. All right, we need to open this the right way because I feel like I'm not introducing it the right way. Let me open it up before I show you guys. Oh my gosh, Shara, you created an amazing package. Okay, I'm just trying to fix it before I show you guys because it got tangled up. You guys, the banner says create. This is like page 1. This is the second one with the C on it. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is definitely getting hung up in my room. Look at the R. Look at all the detail that she put into it. Look at the E. Oh my God. There's the A. Oh, Shara, this is beautiful. Look at the T. And then the E is a shaker with a tool. How cool is that? And look at that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I cannot wait to take a picture of this. Do you guys see this? I wish I can show you, but my camera's like so low. But it's just like this bunting banner. It's so cute. I love it so much, and it's like double-sided. Thank you so much for this. This is beautiful, Shara. I love it so much. Look at the flowers. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you so much. This is amazing. I loved every little piece of it. I can see why you were excited. I was super excited to receive it. Everything is so beautiful. Thank you so much for swapping with me because I loved everything, and I hope it's the first of many swaps between me and you. And yeah, you guys, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have Shara's links down below, so you guys can definitely go check out her Instagram and YouTube channel because she's an amazing crafter, and I'm sure she's gonna have a video on all this yumminess as well. So don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.